Hi, for this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to express one value as a percentage of another value, and I have a couple of examples to walk you through in order to do that. So company A has a revenue of $258 million, and company B has a revenue of $435 million. We are going to express company A's revenue as a percentage of company B's revenue. So in order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to take company A's revenue and we're going to divide it by company B's revenue and then multiply that decimal answer times 100%. Technically, we would just put 100 into the calculator, but we want to make sure that our final answer is in percent. That's why I put the percent there. Okay, so we would just take our values. Since it's 258 million, I don't have to put the million since these are both in millions, and million divided by million is just 1. So I can just do 258 over 435. If they were different, where this was like million and billion, then you would have to write those out as the actual values because it would change your answer. Okay, but since both of these are in million and million divided by million is going to just give me 1, I would just set it up this way. And then I would multiply that answer by 100. And so I'm just going to grab a calculator and we're just going to plug it in. I'm going to click the correct icon. All right, so we're just going to take the 258 and we're going to divide it by the 435. And then if you notice, it gives us 0.59310. So we want to convert this from decimal form into percentage form. So I would multiply this by 100. And this is where I would round your answer. So if your homework platform tells you to round to the nearest 10th, you would round to the 3. If it says 100th, you would round to the 1. 1000th, you would round to the 0. So I'm going to round to 2 decimal places and say that it's 59.31 approximately. So we can say that company A's revenue is 59.31% of company B's revenue. Let's go ahead and try a different example with a different scenario. For this one, we have the median salary for workers in one area is $33,524, and a second area has a median salary of $47,372, and we want to express the first as a percentage of the second. So if they change that around, you would do the reciprocal of what we're going to do. So for this one, we're going to do the first area over the second area, and then we're going to multiply that by 100%. So I would put in the 33,524 and the 47,372, and then we're going to take and multiply that by 100. So we would again just grab your calculator, whatever calculator you want to use, and you would just type it into there. So we would use 33,524 divided by 47,372. Make sure I put it in correctly. Okay, so then this would be our answer. And again, we would multiply this by 100 because we do want it as a percent. So as a percent, we would say that it's 70.77%. Make sure you read very carefully if you are using online homework platforms. I know that they get very picky about what decimal places you're rounding to. Make sure you wait till the very end to do the rounding, because if you round too little here, your answer could be wrong here. That's why I just plug it in all at once, just to go directly to the answer. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any other questions, please make sure to ask in the comments.